Good day, everyone. For our repetition, we reflect what gives meaning to life, inspired by Viktor Frankl. We explore how meaning can be found in three essential values: beauty, truth, and beauty.
For beauty, beauty gives meaning by awakening our sense of wonder. It appears in nature, art, relationship, and even in moments of stillness. Beauty reminds us that despite the challenges, the world still offers reason to hope. As Frankel observed, the ability to notice beauty, even in difficult situations, keeps the human spirit alive.
Truth gives meaning by helping us understand ourselves and the world more deeply. It goes beyond facts. Truth invites our reality. Truth is art. Meaning grows when we choose sincerity and authenticity.
Goodness gives meaning to our actions towards others. It is found in kindness, compassion, and the willingness to do what is right. Even when it's hard, in practicing goodness, we affirm the dignity of others and, and contribute to something greater than ourselves.
Beauty inspires us.
And the truth will guide us.
Goodness strengthens us.
Together, they help us discover meaning in every
Together,
stage of
help
life.
us discover our every stage of life. Thank you.
Thank you.